So, you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to do that and possibly the easiest way on Binance. The first thing you want to do is go onto the Binance website, which there is a link to in the description of this video, and then you will see this tab that says Buy Crypto. For this video, I will show you how to buy crypto with credit or debit card, but I will also show the other methods in future videos, and that will send us to this screen right here. Here we will enter how much we want to pay. Let's say we want to pay 200 euro, and then how much we will receive of a certain crypto. For now I have Bitcoin selected, but you can also change this, for example to BNB, and then you can see that I will be buying 0.529 BNB. Then you can press on continue, which will show you the choose payment method side. Here, as you can see, I already have a card, but you can enter a new one right here. And here you will have to enter some details such as your name, your card number, the expiry date of your card, as well as the security code, which is very standard, but I'll skip that for now. And let's say I just want to pay with my card, which will take you to the confirm order screen. This screen will show you everything that you want to make sure is right, such as how much you're spending and how much you're receiving, what card you're paying with, how much the cryptocurrency you're buying is worth, the transaction fees you will be paying, which in my case are 2%, and then the total amount or the total money you will be spending on your order. From here on now, when you click refresh and then confirm, this money will be sent into your spot wallet, which I will showcase right now. And here is your fiat and spot wallet. Here you will find the balance of this wallet, as well as the balance of every individual crypto that you hold in this wallet, and then you can also perform various actions such as buying or selling crypto. And that pretty much does it for this video. There is not much more to buying cryptocurrency on Binance. It is very simple, and I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe to become part of the revolution today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.